Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Today I would like to share with you my another travel notebook, and you can see I make this color. I print this from Pinterest. It's a denim pattern. I make this one for my sister Winnie, and she like blue color, but because I seldom to make any dark blue, bright blue color, so that I make this color that easy for me to work with. Because I love denim and jeans, blue jeans. The color I can accept, but the bright navy blue I just can't. Make any project with that color. So yes, I just use this. You can see, and this is the inside, and you can see here I make the very simple, and this is the inside, the box. Okay, so yes, okay, and this cover same with this paper, and I also laminate with the laminate the cover, and I have to mention again, and I follow Bona tutorial. Okay, and you can see I hang this. This is because my sister name is called Winnie, so I make this for her. And the tassel, I don't mind the dangle, and hang this postcard and camera trinket here. So, and you can see dry, and I use the underneath is a paper, and this one is a denim, and make like so dry. Cause my sister she plan to go to Australia for travel in this April, so I make this for her so that she can use this for her travel. Maybe you can put a photo and write something in the notebook. So this one, and this is the card, so you can write something behind. Okay, I didn't make so busy because easy for her to use. Okay, to carry. So this is open, and this is the back. Okay, and for the page. And all the inside the cover also laminate, and I print this as a pocket. You can see this, you can tuck in. She can tuck in the ticket, also whatever she collect when she travel, and also encourage she go to travel, just go. And so very simple, and some tag for her, bookmark for write something here. And this page here I make a pocket, use the like a jeans, the pocket, so print this one, so you can pull this out, travel. And this is 1, 2, 2 double-sided, so you can cut to pocket here like so. So let me check. I think I didn't. This is the Australia map. Okay, and the pen, just use this clip to hold the pen. So when you want to write, so you can open up and clip the book when finished. So and this page, and this is another page, and make another pocket here, and make another. Is a map for her. Okay, and put in the pocket. A bit tight, I think, the pocket. Yes. Okay, and this is another page. Inside I didn't make any pocket. Open, and so you can draw something, write something here. Another pocket here. Make another type. Yeah, very simple, but yeah, very useful notebook for her. Another pocket here. Like so. And this page also another pocket. So just can put in something here. And yes, like so. Okay. And this is the zip transparent bag. And I make another cut. Yeah, it's a pocket, like a pocket, just a pocket for her, so she can store so many different, yeah, anything she collect from Australia. And yeah, this is, yeah, so you can put a cut here. It's so very simple. And there's another pocket behind. Yes, that's it. Yeah, this is very simple and fun to make. Okay, like so. And this pen, yeah, just can clip it here. And this one, yeah, I should put this in first before I close the back, like so. Okay. And yeah, I really hope my sister will like this one. So you can, yeah, use this to for her. She write the story or whatever, anything, yeah, memorable for her to write down in this notebook. Like so. Yeah. I really hope you all like it too. And this is very, yeah, simple carry notebook. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, hope you all like it. And please leave me a comments and let me know what you all think. And bye bye.